Hello, my name is Manis Lopez. I'm student for Source Science and Technology. I will be talking about today global circulation, capillary wave, and breaking wave. The sun hit the air, hit in different directions, North Pole, Equatorial, and South Pole. When the sun hitting the equator, it's creating low pressure hot air go out and high pressure cold air go in. That process called Hadley self. And Hadley self is followed by Ferrel self and polar self. How high pressure and low pressure creating the wind, and the wind direction is affected by the Coriolis effect. The Coriolis effect have the counterclockwise and speed clockwise. You see here is high pressure and low pressure, and you have the pressure charge, wave generation area, and the high pressure, the wind is creating capillary wave. The wind creates a capillary wave. Capillary wave is traveling, and this traveling is gravity wave. This gravity wave change to wave grouping, and it's go to short and break, and that process is called fetch. You see here is the formula for the wave speed. So you have speed, gravity, wavelength, and that is for found the deep, and you have in the middle the speed plus hyperbolic tan, and that is the middle, and you have the speed, gravity, depth, that you find the shallow. To get the deep is the 1.5 of the wavelength. To get the deep. To get the shallow is get the 1/20 of the length of the wave to get a shallow, and to get the intermediate is deep between 1.5 of wavelength. That is the formula to know that. When it's traveling the wave, it's creating circular oscillation. This is going from bigger to smaller, and when it's going in the deeper, disappear. And when it's close to the shallow, it's moving back and forward, and it's more ripples, creating ripples. Now we're talking about reflections wave. It's a change in directions of wave at an interface between two different media of the wave from return into the medium from which it originated. So you had a land, convert wave, convert refraction wave, making wave, and spelling wave less powerful. Okay, and another is concave retraction wave. Is involving a change in directions of wave when they bouncing off barrels. You see, concave retractions, breaking wave, this like a reef, headland, powerful plunging wave. Now we'll be talking about the breaking wave. Okay, so you have here spelling wave. Spelling wave is disturbance of the surface of the liquid body as the sea or lake in the form of a moving ridge or swell. So it's gentle bottom slip. Plumbing wave. Plumbing wave is when the ocean floor is steep or has sudden deep changes such as from a reef or sandbank. Moderate bottom slope. Surging wave is steep bottom slipping. Next one is collapsing wave. Collapsing wave is a quantum or mechanic wave function. Collapsing is when a wave functions initially in a superposition of several instants to reduce to the single instant. Fucking hell, man. Hi, I will explaining in short version everything how it's working. So you had a sun. So the sun hitting in North Polar, Equatorial, and South Polar. When hitting the North Pole, the Equatorial, is more concentration in the Equatorial, and the Equatorial create a low pressure, hot air go out, and high pressure, cold air go in. You know, and this process is called Hadley cell. You know, and this Hadley cell is coming west, Ferra self, and polar self. Okay, and that is the process of Coriolis effect, you know, and rotation of the air. Okay, basically the air is traveling close to the beach and it's creating a capillary wave. Capillary wave is traveling via gravity wave and changing wave, clumping and breaking and show break. You know? For example, I have another example from my town, country Peru. You have Chicama. It's a point break. So imagine that the point break and the swell is coming in that direction and it's creating lines. You know. And basically it's making long lines, and for that is the best longest wave of the world, you know, and that is Chicama. I hope so you like the movie and you enjoyed. Thank you.